Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Amharic, and this is lesson 28. Okay, so ቅርብ ቅርብ is near. Okay, near. So try to say it is near or it is nearby. ቅርብ ነው ቅርብ ነው. Okay, so from Addis Ababa to Dreidawa is near. Dreidawa is close to Addis Ababa. From Addis Ababa to Dreidawa is near. ከአዲስ አበባ ወደ ድሬዳዋ ቅርብ ነው። ከአዲስ አበባ ወደ ድሬዳዋ ቅርብ ነው። Pharmacy is a medicine house. So medicine is መድኃኒት. Okay, so try to say medicine house. መድኃኒት ቤት መድኃኒት ቤት. So try to ask, is there a pharmacy nearby? በቅርብ መድኃኒት ቤት አለ? በቅርብ መድኃኒት ቤት አለ? From Addis Ababa to Hawassa is not very far. ከአዲስ አበባ ወደ ሐዋሳ በጣም ሩቅ አይደለም። ከአዲስ አበባ ወደ ሐዋሳ በጣም ሩቅ አይደለም። So 30 is 30 30 30. Okay, so try to say 30 minutes. 30 ደቂቃ 30 ደቂቃ. It takes 30 minutes by aeroplane. በአውሮፕላን 30 ደቂቃ ይወስዳል። በአውሮፕላን 30 ደቂቃ ይወስዳል። It is not nearby. It is not close. ቅርብ አይደለም። ቅርብ አይደለም. It's very far. በጣም ሩቅ ነው። በጣም ሩቅ ነው። Ask to a woman, do you wanna go there? እዛ መሄድ ትፈልጊያለሽ? እዛ መሄድ ትፈልጊያለሽ? To a man, እዛ መሄድ ትፈልጋለክ? For two people, I have a place. So place or space is ቦታ. Okay, ቦታ. If you have some place for someone to rest, you say ቦታ. Okay, place. So try to say I have a place for two people. ለሁለት ሰው ቦታ አለኝ። ለሁለት ሰው ቦታ አለኝ። How much is it for one person? ለአንድ ሰው ስንት ነው? ለአንድ ሰው ስንት ነው? So bed is አልጋ. Bed አልጋ. Okay, so try to say for bed it is 100 ብር. ለአልጋ 100 ብር ነው። ለአልጋ 100 ብር ነው። 1000 is ሺ. ሺ. Okay, so try to say 3100. 3100. 3100. Try to say it is 3500 for bed. For bed it is 3500. ለአልጋ 3500 ብር ነው። ለአልጋ 3500 ብር ነው። alone or only is ብቻ. alone or only ብቻ. So try to say for bed alone, only for bed. ለአልጋ ብቻ. ለአልጋ ብቻ. Try to say to a man only for you. ላንተ ብቻ. ላንተ ብቻ. Okay, so try to ask, is it for me? ለኔ ነው? ለኔ ነው? And try to add, is it only for me? Is it for me only? ለኔ ብቻ ነው? ለኔ ብቻ ነው? Now say it is 1000 ብር only for bed. It is 1000 ብር for bed alone. ለአልጋ ብቻ 1000 ብር ነው። ለአልጋ ብቻ 1000 ብር ነው። Try to say with food, with meal, including meal. ከምግብ ጋር. Okay, ከምግብ ጋር. And try to say with meal it is 4000 ብር. ከምግብ ጋር 4000 ብር ነው። ከምግብ ጋር 4000 ብር ነው። For bed alone it is 3000 ብር። ለአልጋ ብቻ 3000 ብር ነው። ለአልጋ ብቻ 3000 ብር ነው። So try to say I don't like. So when we negate verbs, it starts with al sound and ends with m. If I am saying something about myself, for example, I don't want, አልፈልግም, I cannot, አልችልም. You see, it starts with al sound and ends with m. Okay, so try to say I don't like. I like is እወዳለሁ and I don't like is አልወድም. Okay, አልወድም. Try to say I don't like Ethiopian food. I don't like food of Ethiopia. የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ አልወድም። የኢትዮጵያን ምግብ አልወድም። Okay, then ask, is there food of Kenya? Is there Kenyan food? የኬንያ ምግብ አለ? የኬንያ ምግብ አለ? Kenyan food, is it available? የኬንያ ምግብ አለ? Okay, so now let's see some plural verbs. For example, we have. Okay, so we have is አለን, n sound at the end. Okay, I have is አለኝ, n sound. We don't have that in English, but it goes like አለኝ, I have. N. We have is አለን, n sound. Okay, አለን. So try to say, yeah, we have Kenyan food. We have food of Kenya. አዎ የኬንያ ምግብ አለን። አዎ የኬንያ ምግብ አለን። Okay, do you remember how you'd say a travel or trip? ጉዞ, ጉዞ. Okay, the trip is for 5 days or the travel is for 5 days. ጉዞ ለአምስት ቀን ነው። ጉዞ ለአምስት ቀን ነው። For how many people is it? For how many persons is it? ለስንት ሰው ነው? ለስንት ሰው ነው? For how many days is it? ለስንት ቀን ነው? ለስንት ቀን ነው? Then try to say for 5 days. ለአምስት ቀን. And for 20 people. ለ20 ሰው. Try to say the travel is for 5 days for 30 people. 30. ጉዞ ለአምስት ቀን ለ30 ሰው ነው። ጉዞ ለአምስት ቀን ለ30 ሰው ነው። How much is it? ስንት ነው? How much is the travel? How much is the trip? ጉዞ ስንት ነው? For 5 days trip, it is 10,000 ብር። ለአምስት ቀን ጉዞ 10,000 ብር ነው። ለአምስት ቀን ጉዞ 10,000 ብር ነው። Try to say for 3-day trip, including food, is 15,000. 15. For 3-day trip with food is 15,000. ለሶስት ቀን ጉዞ ከምግብ ጋር 15,000 ብር ነው። ለሶስት ቀን ጉዞ ከምግብ ጋር 15,000 ብር ነው። So all numbers starting from 11 up to 19 starts with asra sound. Okay, asra. For example, to say 13 13 asra sost, asra sost, asra sost. Okay, 6 is ስድስት. Okay, so try to say 16 16 16 16. Try to say 15,000 15 15,000 15,000. Try to say 16,000 16 16,000 16,000. Okay, so it is 16,000 ብር። 16,000 ብር ነው። 16,000 ብር ነው። In total, it is 16,000 ብር። በጠቅላላ 16,000 ብር ነው። በጠቅላላ 16,000 ብር ነው። So discount is ቅናሽ። ቅናሽ። So try to ask if there is any discount. Is there a discount? ቅናሽ አለ? ቅናሽ አለ? Respond back, there is no discount. ቅናሽ የለም። ቅናሽ የለም። Try to say there is no any discount. ምንም ቅናሽ የለም። ምንም ቅናሽ የለም። When you add ምንም, it shows that like it's absolute. There is no negotiation. Okay? So ምንም ቅናሽ የለም. There is no any discount at all. ምንም ቅናሽ የለም. Okay? So try to say on transport or by transport. So on is ላይ ላይ. So sometimes we use from and on together as we have been doing for the others. For example, to say with ከ and ጋር, right? So to say on, በ and ላይ. Okay, በ and ላይ. We are going to sandwich what we have in the middle. So try to say on transport. በትራንስፖርት ላይ. በትራንስፖርት ላይ. On the street. Street is መንገድ. በመንገድ ላይ. በመንገድ ላይ. Okay, በመንገድ ላይ. Try to say there is 10% discount on transport. በትራንስፖርት ላይ 10% ቅናሽ አለ። በትራንስፖርት ላይ 10% ቅናሽ አለ። To order or to command is ማዘዝ። ማዘዝ ማዘዝ። Say, do I have to order now? Do I have to order now? አሁን ማዘዝ አለብኝ? አሁን ማዘዝ አለብኝ? Do you remember how you say we have? አለን አለን. Okay, and we are is none. None. So try to say we are a lot. We are many. ብዙ ነን. ብዙ ነን. We are Americans. አሜሪካዊ ነን. Okay, አሜሪካዊ ነን. This is how you say you are, but in a plural form to a group of people. ናችሁ. ናችሁ. Okay, so I hope you remember how to say how from lesson 1 or 2. እንዴት. So try to ask to a group of people, how are you? እንዴት ናችሁ? እንዴት ናችሁ? They reply back like we are fine. Try to say that we are fine. ደህና ነን. ደህና ነን. Ask them, are you fine? Imagine you are talking to a group of people, some crowd. ደህና ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ? Ask them, how many are you? You are asking for their number, their count. How many are you? ስንት ናችሁ? ስንት ናችሁ? They are going to reply back, we are 30, 30. 30 ነን. 30 ነን. Say, there is a place for 15 people, 15. ለ15 ሰው ቦታ አለ. ለ15 ሰው ቦታ አለ. Try to say again, I have a place for 10 people. ለ10 ሰው ቦታ አለኝ. ለ10 ሰው ቦታ አለኝ. Say, I am alone. It's only me, or I am alone. እኔ ብቻ ነኝ. እኔ ብቻ ነኝ. Try to say, there is no discount. ቅናሽ የለም. ቅናሽ የለም. There is no discount for one person. ለአንድ ሰው ቅናሽ የለም. ለአንድ ሰው ቅናሽ የለም. So dog is ውሻ. So how would you say my dog? We discussed about it in lesson 27, you add a sound at the end to express possession. ውሻዬ, ውሻዬ, my dog, ውሻዬ. So try to say my car, መኪናዬ, መኪናዬ. Try to say my child or my kid, ልጄ, ልጄ. So with my dog, ከውሻዬ ጋር, ከውሻዬ ጋር. Try to say with my kid, with my child, ከልጄ ጋር. With my husband, husband is ባል, ከባሌ ጋር, ከባሌ ጋር. So try to say I am with my dog, ከውሻዬ ጋር ነኝ, ከውሻዬ ጋር ነኝ. So I am sorry is ይቅርታ. I apologize. Literally that means I apologize. ይቅርታ. That's how we say it in Amharic. So I'm sorry, I don't have a discount. ይቅርታ ቅናሽ የለኝም, ይቅርታ ቅናሽ የለኝም. Try to say I'm sorry, there is no discount. ይቅርታ ቅናሽ የለም, ይቅርታ ቅናሽ የለም. Then ask, is she with you? ካንተ ጋር ነች, ካንተ ጋር ነች. Or if you want to mention the pronoun explicitly, እሷ ካንተ ጋር ነች. Is she with you? Try to say is he with you? ካንተ ጋር ነው, ካንተ ጋር ነው. Okay, so who is man? Man. So if someone knocks on your door, you're gonna say like ማን ነው, who is it? Now try to say who am I? ማን ነኝ, ማን ነኝ. Ask a woman, who are you? ማነሽ, ማነሽ. How would you say who are you but to a group of people? ማናችሁ, ማናችሁ. Okay, so try to say with who. ከማን ጋር, ከማን ጋር. So try to ask a woman, with whom are you? ከማን ጋር ነሽ, ከማን ጋር ነሽ.